Okay. Let's suppose we want to put 8,800,000,000 into scientific notation. This is your notes, but I'm just reviewing them. Remember, to do that, you have to put it in this form. There's some number m times 10 to some power. And m has to be between 1 and 10. Okay, so let's just start with this number. If I put the decimal place in front of the 8, that'd be 0.8, so that wouldn't be between 1 and 10. If I put the decimal place between the first two numbers, the number is going to be between 1 and 10, and that's a consistent pattern. So 8.8 times 10, and now I have to make this times 10 an equivalent number to this. So I have to figure out how many times did I multiply by 10. So if we start the decimal here, as if it's not in a number itself, it's understood to be at the end. We're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to be, that's 9 places. Okay, so it's 9 places. Now the question is it positive or negative? So here's what you need to remember. If the number is bigger than 10, I'm sorry, if the number is bigger than 1, the exponent is positive. So if you look at your original number, which in this case is 8,800,000,000, that's way bigger than 1. So my exponent is positive, which you don't have to put a positive. I'm just doing that to remind you. So there's the first kind of problem you could have to do into scientific notation.